Hi, I'm Matt, Product Manager at Volterra, and we're here in Eindhoven at TechBlik for Future of Electronics Reshape, showing Nova for the first time. We've been having some great conversations with attendees from all kinds of very exciting companies working on applications ranging from wearable technology to solar to biomedical, and we've had a really good reception for Nova so far.
Hi, I'm Kasha. I am the CEO of TechBlik. So one of the challenges in the industry is that people need to mass produce still today on screen printing. But the challenge is that when they want to do inkjet printing or digital printing of a few samples, the choice of materials is often limited. It's limited to low viscosity materials or maybe nanoparticle materials, and they won't be using the same set of materials with which they will then transition into mass production. Volterra, with its new product Nova, wants to bridge this gap. I think that's a really exciting proposition to the market because it really makes it easy for people to design things which are production ready.
My name is Marshall Tibbetts, and I'm with ACI Materials, and this is Chris
from Kimoto, making functional films.
And we're here at TechBlik in Eindhoven, and we were just talking for the first time, talking about testing our inks on their substrates, and Matt from Volterra came over and said, hey, by the way, I'm currently testing ACI inks on the Komodo substrates. So we turned around, and thanks to the magic of Volterra, we get to see what this looks like right now, instead of having to ship back and forth after the show.
It's great to have the opportunity to really sample in time and see the results.
So thank you to Volterra for making this possible.
It's been very interesting talking to all of these potential users about the hugely diverse range of applications that they're going to be using Nova for, and I can't wait to get Nova into their hands.